Hi guys, welcome back to this another new video. So today we will be talking about Prashant Kishore, who is not a political leader. He is a trailblazer of his own, on his own, and he actually the irony is he is not supporting anyone or he is not supporting any ideology. He just making his own path, and his vision is clear, and he doesn't see anyone behind his back, and he doesn't want everyone to follow him. He just want to focus on his own thinking, on his own mindset, and his own motive, like what he want to create and how he want to view the world, and what is his vision that he is trying to make successful. So this is Prashant Kishore for you. Actually, this line from I used to say by someone who actually the person who is talking about, but yes, I'm on a lighter note said that, so ignore it. So a couple of minutes later, I happened to be watching the video of or podcast of Prashant Kishore, who is a political leader at Bihar. Actually, he doesn't see himself as a political leader, but yes, more or less, he is a political leader, which I deduced after seeing the video. So he is a gem of a person, I would say. His ideology, his thinking, uh, his vision is impeccable. Like it will blow your mind. And he hails from the state like Bihar, and he is trying to revolutionize the Bihar state, which is very backward, as we already know. And in fact, he also said that the Bihar, uh, the backwardness of Bihar, which is depicted on the statistics, is not a reality, not at all a reality. He says it is 100 times more backward than what is depicted in the statistics. This is the harsh reality, and he got to know this fact about this fact while he was making the Padyatra. He was conducting his Padyatra. Padyatra means he is walking through the villages, towns, district, cities, and talking with people, talking with the common man who is native of that place, and listening about the problems he is facing, his family is facing, and whole village is facing. So after viewing or after listening that those people, he is framing his own mind, his own ideology, and making his own path, and uh, trying to revolutionize the movement. And he is coming from state like Bihar, so it is very difficult to actually think of this thing, that you will revolutionize that state, because it is not at all developed, and he is have to drag it from scratch, and it is not like it will transform in a year or two. It will take 5 years or 6 years or a decade to completely transform that state. And I am afraid if he will stop, he will like withdraw from the politics or not. I really afraid. I want him to make his own legacy, and so people should remember his name, and his work should speak, not his aim, not his name, right? So this is what I thought about Prashant Kishore, because actually I was indulging myself into that video, so I thought to discuss the name with you. And second thing, which is the most fascinating thing I found about on YouTube, it is of YG Law, who is exceptional teacher. Actually, I was watching the video of him, which was recorded 5 years back, and still it is making relevance. And it is not like that the jokes are creepy and the video format is not good. It is up to the mark. 5 years back, when he was nothing, meager amount of subscriber he had, but then also he was delivering the ultimate quality on YouTube. That is the best thing, and now also he is delivering the best quality out there. It is not like that he is earning good money, so he changes, or he just in laxity, he is in laxity to not deliver the quality. But now also he is. Actually, I know him personally because I applied for the as a tutor for his channel or on his application. So I personally talked to him, and for some reasons selected for the in the final round. So that was the unfortunate and sad part in my story. So yes, I think let's wrap up this video down here, and I will meet tomorrow with you guys with a new agenda. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.